In today's video, I'll teach you how to earn $1,000 in a short period. Using just video viewing to earn money online, I'll teach you the most effective method to make money online in an hour. This is an entirely new website that no one has ever discussed on the internet before. In 2022, this will be a straightforward method of earning money online. I'll teach you how to generate money quickly using the most powerful and successful platforms available. If you're interested, stick around and watch the video through to the conclusion. But first, let's talk about the fresh new stuff. It's important to remember that we add new methods to generate money online daily. Before we begin, welcome to Official Money Pill, where I show you how to make money online step by step. Please subscribe to this channel and remember to click on the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I release a new video on how to make money online, and you can take action. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. If you have any questions or concerns, leave some comments below. With that said, let's get started with the lesson right now. Just by watching films, you might earn a substantial amount of money. Netflix is the biggest platform on the internet, or in general for just watching movies, trailers, or anything else you want to watch. You can watch and get paid for by simply watching videos on the Netflix website. And I'm aware that a large number of individuals already do so why not be compensated for your efforts? So please take a look at this. We have Netflix positions available. As a result, you may enter Netflix jobs, and it will take you right to this platform, where I will demonstrate how to do it properly. Allow me to go over this page with you a little bit further because there are a variety of positions. Moreover, I'm going to demonstrate the kind of work you'll be doing so that you may earn the most money possible from this and all of that other excellent things. However, as you can see on Netflix, it's simply presenting many other things that we don't need to be concerned about at the moment. Because of this, I'll show you precisely where to go. So first and foremost, we must put a tiger into the search box, which will direct you to this particular website. Tiger is here, as you can see. This is a limited time work opportunity, so act quickly. So if you detect anything, take advantage of it as soon as possible. You may earn money while watching movies and other media by working as a tagger on Netflix. And the amount of money you can make is insane. Right now, there are 6 positions available, and they're accessible in every country on the planet. This is something that anybody can accomplish, as I previously indicated. So hurry up and get started because the amount of money you can make by viewing Netflix movies, which many people do regularly, is absurd. So hurry up and get started right now. Anyway, with that in mind, let's look at some of these spots using this type of tagger tool. I want to demonstrate something else to you right now. Okay, so I wanted to tell you this right now just in case you weren't convinced by what I said. As a result, this is a real thing. Netflix Tanner is the term used to describe it. And this is a Netflix job that entails nothing more than binge watching the service all day. In this case, you may use your phone and other gadgets to complete the task, and you may earn a substantial amount of money by doing so. Several different types of material are available for viewing so that you may watch all of the programs available on Netflix and the viewers straight after they've completed watching. It's straightforward to comprehend. As previously said, this is the quickest and most straightforward method of earning money online. Even if you're only viewing basic stuff on Netflix, you may experiment with becoming a Netflix tiger for yourself. Okay, I will show you another place where you may earn a significant amount of money, perhaps as much as $1,000, just by putting in a tiny amount of effort. Okay, the link to the following website is referred to as UserLinux. So UserLinux is a website where you can be paid to test various websites, applications, and other essential tasks like viewing movies and other such activities. It's straightforward to comprehend. We'll go ahead and register and see if we can make some money as the form is brief and concise. The ability to engage with a website, mobile application, or other digital assets is entirely free. So all you have to do is express yourself verbally and you will get compensated for your time by answering a few questions. You may now be paid for these various initiatives, with payments ranging from $20 to $90 per project. And each of these tasks takes no more than 10 minutes to complete. As a result, the amount of money you may make by expressing your honest opinion is mind-boggling. That's all there is to it. It's as easy as that. All that has to be done is fully honest about what you're looking at and what you're trying to accomplish. On this site, they provide detailed guidelines for you to follow. Consider the following. All you have to do is follow the directions and achieve the assigned tasks. It's that straightforward. Simply following the guidelines will result in you receiving compensation. That is all there is to it. As previously said, this is entirely free. This is true nearly all around the globe as well. So have a look at which nations you may do testing in. Consequently, we have European Union nations and North American countries, as well as South African countries, Southeast Asian countries, Japan, China, and other countries across the globe. As with Netflix, this is a fantastic chance to capitalize. Netflix, on the other hand, is on a whole different level, because you are capable of doing so, and many individuals are basically watching Netflix every day. Netflix and YouTube account for 50% of all internet traffic in North America. That represents tremendous potential. Okay, so what type of software and hardware do you think you'll need for this? You may use a computer or mobile device to access this platform. However, we will go through the app in more detail later in the video, so stay tuned. As you can see, the following are the specifications for the sort of phone you need. As a result, you may utilize an Android device or an iPhone running iOS 11 or above, as it's essential to check if your cameras are operational. So far, everything has gone well. This is how it appears in the App Store, which I will demonstrate now. So you can have a good grasp on how this occurs, and more importantly, how the platform is organized and operates. So this is UserLinux, and they will give you a code and ask you to input your test invitation code before allowing you to proceed. The only way to get this code is to join up. You may join up anywhere, and they will say, "Knew it," and then you can copy and paste the link right here into this box. Let's go on to the next slide. To put it simply, it's the same thing. Get money by testing websites and advertisements. And here's what the preview page seems to like. It simply goes through the procedures you must do to accomplish what you want on your PC. Whether you're using a desktop or mobile device, it just displays a preview of the document. So you can go through it and complete it when you're through with it. And I've previously gone through the Linux user interface in great detail, if not wholly. Anyway, I think you understand what I'm trying to say. However, as previously stated, you may make money just by doing this. Let's take a closer look at this application. As I once said, this is a testing platform, and firms are prepared to give us a significant sum of money in exchange for being brutally honest. One of the most critical aspects of these websites is that they want us to be honest about what we're looking at and doing on this platform. UserLinux will prove successful as long as you follow the instructions provided above. Now, as I previously said, it's entirely free. And there are a plethora of various firms associated with Linux users that can assist us in making a lot of money. Many people are giving this 5 stars as well, and it's easy to understand why. It's a fantastic platform that may help you make a substantial amount of money by utilizing it. I demonstrated 2 of the most effective methods to make a significant amount of money by engaging in activities that you would otherwise engage in your daily life. So there you have it, folks. Did you like today's video? Let us know in the comments below. With this, we're going to wrap up this video. If you enjoyed it, please hit the like button and subscribe for more incredible videos. Until then, take action, make that money, and take care.